This video has been specifically created for two reasons. One, to give you guys a quick tour on how our registration forms work, and the other is to satisfy Google's verification criteria. Now, PQRS is South Africa's largest solar PV training provider. And on our site, we have registration forms that makes it easy for candidates to register for courses or register for tests, and we can then process the information after they have registered. Typically, candidates would click the link on courses. It would open up a page that gives more information on the types of courses we offer. Candidates would be able to select a course. Once they're on the course page, they would be able to register for the specific course, and this course then takes them through to a registration page where they can register for the course. For this particular video, though, I want to take a look at a different type of course. It's still the same course registration form. The only difference is that this one is specific to certain distributors. So at the top of the page, you would be able to see the link. And we've got the registration form over here. Once we populate this form, you would simply enter your name. Pretty straightforward. You would enter your surname, enter a mobile number. You would enter an email address. This form obviously has been used more than once, which is why it auto-populates my information. Once we get to the section which indicates different regions where you can attend, you can simply select whatever region it is where you are staying. In this case, I'm just going to say in the Eastern Cape at an ARB branch. And then at the bottom over here, we've got an option where we can select the different courses we would like to attend. I'm going to select the Excel, and I'm going to hit the sign me up button. We'll see that the page is busy working. And once we have entered that information, the information is then populated on a Google Sheet. And over here, we can see ARB registration form, PQRS solar courses. And right there, we can see there's a timestamp, 8:45. My name and my credentials are included there. The other guy that has registered, Michael Smith, is the head of sales of PQRS. And on this particular form, we only give access to guys that are directly related to either the distributor or PQRS, guys who are involved with registering candidates for courses. Guys, that brings us to the end of this video. We thank you for watching it. We hope that you would be able to walk through our registration documents in a breeze. We look forward to having you at some of our courses. Thanks for watching.